Today on Nova Tools, we will learn how to automate workflows and save them for repeated use in the future. To start, here we are in a project with a workflow already set up. You can see these lines between sessions showing that they're connected, and the second session is dependent on the first with this D symbol. Using this, you can automatically adjust dates for your entire workflow by changing it for the first one. For example, these sessions are overdue, so we want to bring their deadlines to the current week. Here, I will adjust the date of the first session. And as you can see, it adjusted all of the dates for each subsequent session that is connected to it in series. Now, to create a dependency, select the first session in a series and click the Connection button. Now, press the next session that you wish to connect it to, and it will open this window where you can determine if you want them to be dependent on each other by date, and if you want to share session conclusions into the next session so that anyone who missed the previous one can move forward efficiently. Now, to add sessions to this workflow, simply press the plus button. Create the session, and they will automatically be connected. However, they won't have dependencies. So to add them, you press the C button, and you can open this window again and add your date dependency with the appropriate timeline that you wish to have. Lastly, pro users can save their workflows by clicking the ellipsis at the top right and pressing Save Workflow Template, which opens a window allowing you to insert various pieces of information for future use of this workflow. After filling in the relevant information, you press Save Workflow at the bottom, and you will be able to use this workflow with all of its automations for your next project. That's all for today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.